The next exercise is Mettez les verbes suivantes à la forme négative. So we are going to make the verbs in the bracket in the negative form. So it is very easy. You know the formula for writing a verb in the negative form is adding ne before the verb and pas after the verb. So shall we begin? The first sentence, je dash beaucoup. The verb given is travailler, ne and pas. So we have to make this into the negative form. So we write ne and pas, and the verb comes in the center. But we need to conjugate the verb. The verb is given in the infinitive form. It is an ER verb. So the subject is je. So the je conjugation for an ER verb is remove ER and add E. Je ne travaille pas beaucoup. I do not work much. Je ne travaille pas beaucoup. So this is how you do this exercise. You just add ne before, pas after the verb, and you conjugate the verb for that particular subject. The second sentence, il dash de chance. So now the verb is avoir. Now as usual we write ne before, pas after. And for il, the conjugation of avoir is a. But as you see, there is a vowel clash here. So we replace this E with an apostrophe. Il n'a pas de chance. He doesn't have the chance. Now the next sentence. Elle dash n'a pas aimé le lait. So now the verb is aimer and the subject is elle. So to write the negative, we put ne before, pas after, and the verb is aimer. For elle, it is aim. Again here we see there is a vowel clash. So elle n'aime pas le lait. Now the fourth sentence, tu dash en bien. So the verb given is être. So to write it in the negative form, we write ne before and pas after. Now we need to conjugate être for tu. So tu es. And now again there is a vowel clash. So tu n'es pas indien. Now the last sentence, il dash le Sénégal. Now the verb given is visiter. So we write ne and pas, and the conjugation of visiter for il is visit. Il ne visite pas le Sénégal. So this was another very simple exercise. You just have to write ne before and pas after the verb and conjugate the verb for that particular subject. So once again, first one, je ne travaille pas beaucoup. Il n'a pas de chance. Elle n'aime pas le lait. Tu n'es pas indien. Il ne visite pas le Sénégal. So this is how we write a verb in the negative form.